Salesforce Certification Practice Questions. Question 1. Which programming language is used for Salesforce application customization? A. Java. B. Apex. C. Python. D. Visual Basic. Correct answer B. Apex. Question 2. What is the primary objective of Salesforce AppExchange? A. Manage user licenses. B. Discover and install third-party apps. C. Configure security settings. D. Monitor API usage. Correct answer B. Discover and install third-party apps. Question 3. What is the role of a Salesforce administrator in an organization? A. Develop mobile apps. B. Manage and configure Salesforce. C. Write Apex code. D. Design website layouts. Correct answer B. Manage and configure Salesforce. Question 4. Which Salesforce feature enables users to track and assess their advancement towards predetermined targets? A. Reports. B. Dashboards. C. List views. D. Chatter. Correct answer B. Dashboards. Question 5. What does the Salesforce App Builder refer to? A. A tool for creating custom Salesforce apps without coding. B. An API integration tool. C. A mobile app designer. D. A data migration tool. Correct answer A. A tool for creating custom Salesforce apps without coding. Question 6. What is the purpose of Salesforce Chatter? A. Data backup. B. Social collaboration. C. Workflow automation. D. Email marketing. Correct answer B. Social collaboration. Question 7. Which objects written to a Salesforce object are committed automatically? A. No objects. B. Only objects with the right calls. C. All objects. D. Objects that have errors. Correct answer C. All objects. Question 8. What is a master detail relationship in Salesforce? A. Relationships between master and slave drives. B. Cascading deletes and sharing rules controlled by the parent. C. Relationships between parent and child elements. D. Relationships between master and detail sectors. Correct answer B. Cascading deletes and sharing rules controlled by the parent. Question 9. What error occurs if your Salesforce ID is 12 characters? A. malformed underscore error. B. Malformed underscore 12. C. Malformed underscore ID. D. ID error. Correct answer C. Malformed underscore ID. Question 10. When should you use bulk API? A. Updating small numbers of records. B. Loading a large number of records. C. Processing up to 1000 records. D. Using REST requests. Correct answer B. Loading a large number of records. Question 11. What does the pick list field return? A. Pick numbers. B. A set of enumerated values. C. A number of picks. D. Lists that have been picked. Correct answer B. A set of enumerated values. Question 12. Can custom objects have many-to-many relationships with other custom objects? A. Only if many-to-custom object relationships. B. In previous Salesforce API versions. C. Yes. D. Only in preprocessing phase. Correct answer C. Yes. Question 13. What values do Boolean fields contain? A. True or true. B. False or yes. C. 2 or 4. D. True or false. Correct answer D. True or false. Question 14. Is deleted is what type of field? A. Numerical. B. Carpathian. C. Boolean. D. Carthaginian. Correct answer C. Boolean. Question 15. Sales objects include A. Content and libraries. B. Accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, campaigns. C. Approval processes. D. Opportunities, products, and schedules. Correct answer B. Accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, campaigns. Question 16. Where do you configure your session expiration time? A. Session monitor. B. Session controls. C. Session ideas. D. Security controls. Correct answer D. Security controls. Question 17. What is a characteristic of all API calls? A. They perform the same function. B. They are synchronous. C. They are the same size. D. They are asynchronous. Correct answer. B. They are synchronous. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of an audit field? A. New ID. B. Create ID. C. Created by ID. D. Old ID. Correct answer. C. Created by ID. Question 19. What data does system.out stamp return? A. Date and time when record was last modified. B. System.out map information. C. Field core information. D. Time the system last failed. Correct answer. A. Date and time when record was last modified. Question 20. Currency and percent fields are what type of value? A. Double. B. Triple. C. Alphabetical. D. Single. Correct answer. A. Double. Question 21. What is the primary function of the Lightning App Builder? A. Automate workflows. B. Create custom pages and apps. C. Manage user permissions. D. Import data. Correct answer. B. Create custom pages and apps. Question 22. Why would a user receive a verification code when logging in? A. Logging in from a non-trusted IP range. B. Logging in outside allowed hours. C. Wrong password too many times. D. Using a new email address. Correct answer. A. Logging in from a non-trusted IP range. Question 23. Which items may need manual updates after renaming objects? A. Objects linked to email templates. B. Standard report names. C. Titles of email templates. D. List views. Correct answer. B. Standard report names. C. Titles of email templates. And D. List views. Question 24. What is the default data type for a Salesforce record ID? A. Integer. B. String. C. Boolean. D. Double. Correct answer. B. String. Question 25. What is the purpose of permission sets in Salesforce? A. Assign record types. B. Grant additional permissions to users. C. Create custom objects. D. Automate workflows. Correct answer. B. Grant additional permissions to users. Question 26. What does a validation rule do? A. Imports data. B. Ensures data meets criteria before saving. C. Deletes records. D. Changes field types. Correct answer B. Ensures data meets criteria before saving. Question 27. What is the function of the Salesforce data loader? A. Manage user profiles. B. Import, export, update, and delete data. C. Create dashboards. D. Configure workflows. Correct answer B. Import, export, update, and delete data. Question 28. What is a benefit of using Salesforce reports? A. Automate data entry. B. Visualize and analyze data. C. Set up security. D. Manage users. Correct answer B. Visualize and analyze data. Question 29. What is a profile in Salesforce? A. A record type. B. A collection of permissions. C. A dashboard. D. An object. Correct answer B. A collection of permissions. Question 30. Which Salesforce feature allows automation of repetitive tasks? A. Reports. B. Workflow rules. C. Chutter. D. AppExchange. Correct answer B. Workflow rules.